How to set time and date in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, right-click on Date and Time at the bottom. Then click on Adjust Date and Time in here. After you click on it, turn off Set the Time Automatically. After you turn this off, press on Yes. And now, click on Change Set the Date and Time Manually. Press on Yes again, and now change date as you want. You can change the time as you want as well, and then press on Change. After you press on Change, your date and time will be changed in your PC. This is how to set time and date in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.